In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer in PowerPoint. This is perfect for kicking off a presentation, signaling a break, or building anticipation before a session begins. We'll create a clean, automated countdown that runs on its own as soon as the slide starts. Begin by inserting a text box and typing your starting number, like 10. Make it large enough to be easily seen from a distance, and choose a bold, clear font. Center the text both horizontally and vertically on the slide so every number will appear in the same place. Keeping everything aligned now will make the animation look smooth later. Next, duplicate that text box and change each copy to the next number down. 9, 8, 7, and so on, until you reach your ending number. You can duplicate quickly using copy and paste or a keyboard shortcut. After each duplication, replace the text with the next number and place it exactly on top of the previous one. Stacking them perfectly means each number will appear in the same spot, creating a clean countdown effect without any flicker or shift. Now it's time to animate. Select the first number, which is your starting number on the slide, go to the Animations tab, choose Add Animation, and pick Appear. The appear effect is ideal for a countdown because it's immediate and easy to read. You'll apply the same entrance effect to every other number, so each one simply pops into view. Open the animation pane so you can control timing. For each number, set the start to after previous and give it a 1-second delay. After previous ensures the sequence runs automatically without clicking, and the 1-second delay gives you a steady rhythm. If you want a faster or slower countdown later, this delay is the single setting to adjust. Arrange the animations in countdown order from highest to lowest. In the animation pane, make sure the first item in the list is your starting number, followed by the next number, and so on. When ordered correctly, the sequence will flow naturally as a countdown. Finally, start slideshow mode to play the countdown timer automatically. You can start from the current slide to test it quickly. Watch the numbers appear one by one at 1-second intervals. If the timing feels off, return to the animation pane and tweak the delay. That's all there is to it. You've built a simple, reliable countdown timer that looks professional and works every time.